Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Stephanie and I love talking about all things Canva. Today I want to share with you a nifty little feature that Canva has made available for us during their last keynote. The feature that I'm most happy about, like really happy, is the ability to work on a design when you're offline. Now, we have sat on the train, and the train goes through a tunnel, and then you lose signal. And sometimes that tunnel can be quite long, and you're sitting there twiddling your thumbs. How do you actually just carry on designing? Now, when you get on the train or wherever, and you know the signal is going to go a little bit wonky, enable Canva's ability and feature to work on your design offline. I think it's amazing. Let me show you how to do just that. So here is this presentation that I'm working on at the moment. It has 24 pages, and I want to make sure that it is saved before you set out. Click on File. On the side here, go down to where it says Make Available Offline. Click on that, and you'll have this little pop-up that comes here that says it will be saved for you for use offline. Now, depending on the size of the document that you have, video, presentation, book, whatever the case may be, it may take a while for your design to be downloaded so that you can finish it offline while you're doing whatever it is that you're doing. Now, I sit here and I have a cup of coffee. It says finishing up, and it also says you can keep editing while it finishes. But as you can see, as I'm dragging my mouse, there's almost like there's a lag that is happening while the design is being saved on your device. So that's why I sit enjoying a cup of coffee, waiting for it to finish. All right, so there we go. It has saved, it's available offline, and now we can go and make any number of changes we want while we're offline. And then when we're back online, we just make sure that the design syncs again to Canvas Cloud, and hopefully nothing goes amiss. Now, I am not going to do that in this instance, so I cannot give you first-hand experience on what that would be like to go through the syncing process. If you have any challenges with this whatsoever, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you to get through these little hurdles that Canva may inadvertently throw in our way.